Hi, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter Gable from Argyle Armory. Today we're going to show you how to install a Timney Alpha Glock trigger in this Glock 34. So first thing, you want to take your trigger housing. You'll remove all of the old trigger components from the trigger housing, and then you'll take the new trigger from Timney and install it into the trigger housing. Make sure that it sits down in there firmly. Still a little ways to go. Once the trigger's in there, you'll take the trigger bar and trigger assembly and install it. And then from there, we'll take the firearm and put the trigger housing and the trigger into the firearm. Make sure that it's sitting in there properly. So the next step is this small spring. It's a L-shaped. You want to make sure that the L is facing towards the rear of the firearm, and it sits on a little ledge that's built into the top of the trigger there. So once that's on there, you will take your slide stop lever and reinstall it. And then you will take your locking block, and you're going to want to push this down about, I don't know, a quarter of the way. Then you'll take your tool provided by Timney and grab that spring and pull it back towards the rear of the firearm and push the locking block down into place. From there, you'll install your trigger pins, your trigger housing pin, and put your slide back on. And that's how to install a Timney Alpha trigger.